Hey guys, it's Lisa. I am getting ready to wrap up a tumbler that was ordered from me. So I thought that I would show you these new cool bags that I found that will hopefully protect the tumblers a lot more. So UPS is getting really kind of crappy with not being careful with your items, your sale, So I had one customer tell me that the box came all banged up and there was a little ding or something on the cup because of it. So I went and tried to research the best way, and I found these they are called wine bottle protectors. I wasn't sure if they were going to work good, so I ordered the 20 pack, and they were like, I think $21 or something. So right around $1 a bag. And so I'm going to show you how they work. So you have your tumbler. This is my owl tumbler that I made for Donna. So before I wrap it, I put a tumbler care card in it and one of my business cards. Put that in there. Okay, hang on. I'm missing a straw here. Here's the straw that comes with it. So first I want to wrap it in paper. And then this is the box you get the tumbler in. If you don't save these boxes, no worries. You can just put it in the bag as is. And I will show you that too. So I'm just putting this in there. Hang on. This one's got a handle on it, so it's a little bit trickier. So that by the time this video posts, this will have already been in the mail. So Donna, your tumbler is on its way. So this is just the bubble wrap that you get from the box. And then you put it back in the box. And make sure you put your straw in the box, and it doesn't fit, so we'll put the straw in the bag. So you got your tumbler in the bag. No, you got the tumbler in the box. And then put a little sticker on it. And then grab your bag. And the little side is a little bit tricky to find. But you use this little pump thing. I gotta make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. And there's an opening on the side here. Like I said, it's a little tricky to find. It's right up here. You know what? We're gonna do this first. So I put the box in. Can you see that? The opening's right there, but it's hard to get because it's little. Okay, so the opening is here. And you shove that in there. Okay, let me make sure you're still in the video. And then you pump it up. And then it seals it so the air don't come back out. And it's got a little lid thing on it, so you can even go, you know, like a bigger, it'll even fit a bigger box. But when you do this, you can just put this down and then use some tape. But see that? And then you'll put it in a box, or you can just wrap it just like this, in paper or whatever. I will most likely put it in another box, but you don't have to use a bunch of bubble wrap and all that other stuff. So for $1 a bag, I think it's pretty good. Also, you can just go ahead, this one's already blown up a bit. If you don't have the box already, you could just put your tumbler right in the bag. I would normally put wrap paper around it first, just so that for extreme temperatures and stuff, you don't want, you know, this bubble sticking right to the epoxy. But wrap it up, put it in there, and then tape it up, and it would be good to go. And don't forget to put your straw in the bag that goes with it. So there you have it, guys. Easier way to wrap your tumblers, and hopefully this was helpful for you. If you are interested in the little wine bags, I will link them in the description below. And I hope that that was helpful for you guys. And this will be the first cup I use the bags with. And hopefully damage never happens again to my cups. So I'll see you soon on the next video. Thanks for watching.